I'm here with Jim Monsor of Biomimetic Therapeutics. Jim, tell us about your firm.
Well, Biomimetic is a biological device company. We're focused on protein therapeutics, focused on treatment of musculoskeletal disorders. We have activity going in periodontal bone loss. That's our lead product. It's been on the market now for about 3 years in the U.S. We're working on a European approval. We're taking that same technology and going after orthopedic indications elsewhere in the body, foot and ankle fusion, some spine work, and potentially some work in fracture repair. We're very excited about the possibilities that we have. We expect for our first orthopedic product to be on the market probably somewhere near the end of 2010, beginning of 2011. And it's just a great opportunity. If that plays out, then obviously we're very excited about going further with some sports medicine opportunities.
What has been your experience in working with officials at the county and state level, and also what's been your biggest surprise in having an enterprise in Tennessee?
Well, let me answer the last question first. The biggest surprise is just that we were able to come here and make something work in Middle Tennessee. It's not known as a hotbed of biotech, but we found great support from the county, the city, and the state level. Tennessee isn't known as a state that's putting a lot of money behind life sciences and biotech, but in spite of that limitation, we found great support. We found some grant money through the state. We found a lot of tax incentives and tax abatement from the city and the county. It's been just a dynamite relationship, and we've also benefited from the relationship we've had with research universities in the area, from Vanderbilt, University of Tennessee, and Middle Tennessee State as well. It's been a great environment.
Any other thoughts that you might pass along to a firm that might be considering moving to the Mid-South?
Well, again, it's not a place that you would think of in terms of where you'd want to locate your life sciences company. But I came to Middle Tennessee from Austin, Texas, which is typically one of the best places in the nation to live. I would rather live here. Quality of life, family, the cost of living, cost of real estate is all tremendous. There are great resources for starting a life sciences company. One of those is the Cool Springs Life Sciences Center, which we have right in Middle Tennessee. It's a facility that is designed to provide all the infrastructure for a life sciences company, from basic utilities to resources and network resources, advisory councils and boards that we can pull together. We've got up to 150,000 square feet of space that could be available for small to mid-sized life sciences companies. And we're just trying to build a cluster much like other states have done, and we feel like it's a great environment for other states, for other companies to come into. If you look at some of the statistics about Middle Tennessee in terms of readiness for business development, quality of life, places to live, it's usually in the top 5 to 10 within the country. So it's a great place.
Jim, thank you very much.